This is a Suzuki Burgman 400 that I've had about 10 years. It's given me nothing but trouble, bad starting mainly. In the end I gave up on it, but I've now got the time to have a look at it and see what I can find. The first job is to take the base out that holds the helmet underneath the seat, take the air filters off so I can get at everything, and the piece that you can see there is the ignition unit that I've uncoupled from the harness. The coil fits down there, take that off obviously, and I've had to take the side panels off, the footrests and the exhaust to get to the side of the engine. I've checked out the electrical items on the carburettor. As you can see there, they seem to be within specification and they seem to be working okay. What I'm not getting is a signal up to, let's call it the CDI unit, the black box that sends a voltage to the coil, hence a spark. Be very intermittent and then failed. What I have done is I've measured the resistance coming from the signal generator off the flywheel. Although the resistance is correct, I've not got a voltage. The voltage should be something like in excess of 2.5 volts. The voltage that I'm getting is 0.8. So what I've decided to do, to take the generator cover off, have a look at the flywheel and the stator and the pickup coil. This is the generator with the cover removed. You can see the chain drive to the oil drive pump. You can see the flywheel. On the left hand side of the flywheel is the little magnet. On the right hand side is where you can check the timing through a hole in the generator cover case. To get to all those nuts and bolts, what I used was a small cheap driver set with extensions and also some hexagon bit sets. Mainly that was to get the exhaust pipe off. This is the cover on the bench. The bottom left hand, that is where the oil filter is. That is the water pump. Before you take that cover off, you've got to drain both of these items. This here is the cable from the signal generator up to that black box I've just shown you. Now, it says in the manual that you have to take this water pump off. I haven't. I've left it on. The case came off quite easily with that fitted, so I'm not bothered about that. Now, this is the inside of the cover. You can clearly see the stator there. This is the drive off the oil pump. You see this little piece here? That's got to go into a slot when you're putting it back to drive the water pump. That's the feed into the oil filter. This is the item that I think is giving problems. It's the pickup unit. The flywheel fits over that stator and rotates with a little magnet on. It goes past this magnet here and sends a signal up to the ignition unit. That's the item that I've taken off, and I've put a new one on. The new one is not the same. It's a slightly different dimension from the centre of the magnet to the base. What I've had to do is put a couple of packing pieces over there. This actually is a P5 unit, and it comes off a Yamaha. Anyway, I've checked the resistance of that, and it's in spec, but obviously I can't check the rotor and to see what voltage I get until I assemble all this. So once I've done all that, I'll let you know what happens. I've put the cover back on now. I've not put the screws in. It's got to come off again to have a gasket put on. I've put it on so I can try the spark. I've coupled up the ignition unit there, the black box, and I've also connected up the coil. Two wires going to it. One of the spades on that is slightly wider than the other, so you can't get them mixed up. I've taken the high tension lead off that, and I'm going to test it down to earth. Okay. Might not be able to see it, but what I've got now is a nice spike, fat spark between the engine block and the wire. Okay, looks like we've cracked it.